brace on your arm as well.
Yeah.
Good. Just under this. Come on, under this.
Oh my God. How many kgs?
Pound, I think, is about 20 something.
That one's for the Iblis.
No, that's pulled down.
No. Iblis is running away. It's already gone.
Mine.